Welcome in another video. Today I am working on Daisies medallions. I start with cutting circles out of model balsa sheet. One of them I painted with brown wood stain. After that I glue those circles into big bottle caps. That way they won't move after pouring resin in there. Next, I am covering my dried flowers with some hairspray to prevent them from blanching. When hairspray is dry, I am using super glue to stick daisies to the wood. Be careful not to glue yourself too. Another step is pouring epoxy into our molds. I am using colorless and transparent resin, but I recommend trying new ideas. As you can see, I am using a spoon at this point, which really eases the process. Taking them out of the cups is quite hard not to crack, but with some patience, knife and pliers, you can do it. I start grinding with my table grinder. My first goal is to denip excessive epoxy from bottom and edges of my charms. While grinding the edges, I have to be very careful while doing a lot of circular moves to make my charm as round as possible. I am showing the process on one medallion because the other one is practically the same. For the final shaping I am using sandpapers. I start with gradation 80 to even my circle, and I finish with 2500. After that I apply polishing paste on my felt roundel. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit my grinder, so I have to polish charms by hand. Instead of polishing them, you may pour some resin on the top. That way you'll get perfectly polished and shiny pendants. If you pour quite a big amount of resin, you'll get beautiful roundy top. This is how my medallions are done. I am enormously delighted with them, and every friend of mine shares my rapture. I find those charms great for everyday and maybe semi-formal outfits. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and good luck!